This is a linear equation dy by dx plus 2y equal to sin x. Now let's solve this equation. Comparing equation number 1 with dy by dx plus py equal to q. When we compare these two, we get here p is 2 and q is sin x. Now our integrating factor is equal to e raised to p dx, integral of p dx. So here p is 2, so integral of 2 dx. So we get equal to e raised to 2x. Now integrating factor we have found out. Now we will write the equation y into the general solution, y into integrating factor equal to integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now it is equal to y into e raised to 2x equal to integral of sin x, because q is sin x. Sin x into e raised to 2x dx plus c. Now we will write again y into e raised to 2x equal to I1. This integral e raised to 2x into sin x we will separately solve. So that is I1 plus c. Equation number 2. Now let's take I1. I1 is equal to e raised to 2x sin x integral. So we will use integral by parts. We get, because trigonometric comes first, so sin x comes first. Sin x into e raised to 2x minus cos x into e raised to 2x upon 2. Cos x is derivative of sin x. Now equal to sin x into e raised to 2x upon 2 is the integral of e raised to 2x minus half into e raised to 2x into cos x dx. Now equal to sin x into e raised to 2x upon 2 minus half. Again we will integrate by parts. We get cos x into e raised to 2x minus integral of derivative of cos x is minus sin x into e raised to 2x upon 2. Integral of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x upon 2. Now which is equal to sin x into e raised to 2x upon 2 minus half into cos x e raised to 2x upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 I1, because sin x into e raised to 2x is I1. So we will substitute it as I1. Now we get this 1 upon 4 I1, will take it on the left hand side. We get 5 upon 4 I1 is equal to sin x upon 2 into e raised to 2x minus 1 upon 4 cos x e raised to 2x. Now I1 is equal to 4 upon 5 sin x e raised to 2x upon 2 minus 4 upon 5 into 1 upon 4 cos x e raised to 2x. Now I1 is equal to 2 upon 5 sin x, 2 upon 5 sin x into e raised to 2x minus 1 upon 5 cos x e raised to 2x. Substituting I1 in equation 2. Now we get y into e raised to 2x equal to 2 by 5 sin x e raised to 2x minus 1 upon 5 cos x e raised to 2x plus c. So this is the answer.